8 best affiliate programs to give you monthly passive reoccurring commissions. Now, I have personally looked through hundreds of different affiliate programs to promote when it comes to monthly passive reoccurring commissions. But in today's video, I'm going to show you the top 8 affiliate programs to promote that pay you every single month. Now, the reason monthly reoccurring passive commissions is so important is because you can get a customer to pay for like a software or a program once, but then once they become a customer, they're going to continue paying every single month. So think of Netflix. Let's just say you were to get someone to buy something like Netflix. Well, they're going to be paying that every single month. And the more customers that you get over time, that's going to be predictable passive income that you get inside of your business. Now, of course, I still like high ticket affiliate courses, but typically these are just one-time payments. What I'm going to show you is the best 8 affiliate programs that are going to pay you every single month once somebody becomes a customer. But more importantly, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get someone to become a customer of these different products. Hey, what's up everyone? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles, and this is actually the 3rd video of this series where I'm going to be showing you exactly how to start an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch. And more importantly, I'm going to show you how to use affiliate marketing to quit your 9-to-5 job and get predictable income every single month. So if you haven't seen the last few videos, make sure to go watch those because I want to show you exactly how to build a strong foundation when it comes to affiliate marketing. With that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, so number 1 is the Clickfunnels affiliate program. Now, as you can see here are some real numbers. I've done over $116,000. And the cool thing is they pay me every single month. But real quick, at the time of making this video, Clickfunnels made a transition into Clickfunnels 2.0, which is a newer version of their software. So this right here is the old dashboard, and this one right here is their new dashboard. So if you're watching this later on and you're just seeing this dashboard, I just want to make that clear. But what I want to explain is what is Clickfunnels and why would you want to promote them? Now, what is Clickfunnels? It's essentially a sales funnel software. So that's actually what I use mostly in my online business. So that's how I can get people from like YouTube or TikTok into my own landing pages, into my email lists. That way I can go and promote my courses, my affiliate products, my softwares. So this is a software that I use every single day. So of course, I'm going to go ahead and promote it as well because I show people how to start an online business. Now, one thing to note, guys, is when you're promoting an affiliate product, you need to promote something that is actually going to help people, is actually going to provide value, and more importantly, is going to get them to stick. The worst thing is if you get someone to buy a software and then they cancel a month later because they don't actually need it. Now, the cool thing about Clickfunnels is it's not just for making money or creating an online business. This software can be used for local businesses as well. So like a chiropractor or a doctor or a landscaper can use this to generate more leads to their business. Now, one of my favorite things about Clickfunnels is once somebody signs up for their software, which is anywhere between $97 and $400 a month, you're going to get paid up to 30 to even 40% commissions every single month. So this is where it gets fun because now if you get 100 people to sign up under you paying, let's just say $100 a month, you're going to get $4,000 per month passive reoccurring monthly commissions. And that's how this business becomes passive because we're getting people to these automated softwares that they're actually going to need and use for their business. Now, how could you actually sell a product like Clickfunnels? Well, again, you have to know what this product does for people. It helps people automate their business, whether it's an online business or a brick and mortar business. So knowing that it helps people build a business, what if you can show businesses how they can automate their sales process? If you can do that, they're more likely to buy Clickfunnels because they now know how this software can help them generate more income and make their business and life much more easier. Now, another example of how you could promote something like Clickfunnels is teaching someone through a free course or YouTube videos like this. So if you've seen any of my YouTube videos where I show people how to use Clickfunnels, I'm showing them step by step how they can use the software to make more money. But typically in the link down below, I'll have a link to go buy Clickfunnels because I've already shown them why they need this for their business. So essentially, if you're able to provide value and show people why they need this actual software, they're more likely to buy it because now they know exactly why they need to get it. Okay, so number 2 passive affiliate program to promote is GetResponse. Now, this is actually one of my favorite programs to promote. Now, real quick, if you look here, they have 2 different options. They have a 33% every single month, meaning when someone buys GetResponse, you're gonna get paid 33% every month. They also have $100 per sale, which I'm not a big fan of. Again, we're talking about monthly passive reoccurring commissions. So if you're in this game for the long term, 100% click on this option. Now, the cool thing is I've actually made over $24,000 with GetResponse, and they continue to pay me every single month. Now, what is GetResponse? GetResponse is essentially a autoresponder or a way to collect emails and send mass emails to your email list. So again, I talked about in previous videos of why you need to build an email list and why it's so important. Well, this is the program that allows you to build your email list, but more importantly, it helps you send emails and automate your email process. Now, if I go to the pricing structure here at the top, you'll notice there's different pricing. Now, here's the cool thing about GetResponse. It's about $15 per month for 1,000 contacts. But as their email list gets bigger, you'll notice, let's just say you have 100,000 people on your email list. Now someone's gonna be paying about $400 a month, which is okay because if you have 100,000 people on your email list, you should be making some really, really good money. So as their businesses grow, so does that 33% commissions on your end. So imagine if you get 100 people at 33% and a lot of those people, their businesses are growing. Let's just say they go from 1,000 to 5,000 to 10,000 people. Well, you're gonna get 33% commissions every single time. Okay, so number 3 affiliate program is System.io. Now, the cool thing about System.io is they actually pay 50% commissions. This program has been one of my favorite programs to promote because not only do you get money on the software, they actually have education in the backend as well. So basically, they have courses that you would get commission on as well. Now, what is System.io? System.io is basically an alternative to Clickfunnels. So again, we talked about Clickfunnels and how you can build sales funnels. Well, you can do the exact same thing with System.io. But the cool thing about System.io is it's free. Now, if I go to the pricing structure here, it's free to get started. And again, as that person's business grows, you're gonna actually get paid 50%. So you won't make as much money on the front end, but on the back end, you start to make more and more money because obviously no one's gonna cancel a free membership, right? So here's the cool thing. I've actually made almost $10,000 with this program. And I recently started promoting this one as an alternative to Clickfunnels. And again, you're gonna get the commissions for the courses on the back end as well. So this has actually been one of my favorite programs to promote because it's just another way people can start building funnels without having to get Clickfunnels if they didn't want it. Now, me personally, I use Clickfunnels myself in my business, but there's a lot of people that don't want to pay that higher price. So this is a great alternative for people to start their online business. Now, as a pro tip to promote System.io or any program in general, I like to use something like YouTube. Now, you'll notice here, if people go and type in how to use System.io, well, people are going to stumble upon your videos, right? So I have this video here with about 49,000 views. And I show people how they can use this software with this free tutorial on YouTube. Now, the cool thing is on this YouTube video, I'll have a link that goes to my System.io affiliate program where I then get a commission. And again, I will then get commissions once people upgrade and their business grows. So number 4 is Kartra. Now, the cool thing about Kartra is they pay up to 40% lifetime commissions. Now, Kartra is going to be another version of a funnel builder. Now, Kartra is a little bit more advanced than like System.io and Clickfunnels, and it allows you to do more things within the platform. Now, real quick, I just want to show you with Kartra, we have done almost $60,000 in sales. And this is something that I don't actively promote, but this is something that I still make money on the back end. Of course, I have an email list so I can go and promote different products. And again, if you watch a previous video on how I use my email list to make money, this is part of the reason, right? We want to build our email list to give people different options when it comes to, sales funnels or software or whatever it is you're trying to promote. And that's why I like to have an ecosystem of products to promote. But Kartra has been one of my favorite programs to promote because it gives someone a different option rather than using Clickfunnels or System.io. Now, number 5 is Tubebuddy. Now, Tubebuddy is really cool because Tubebuddy allows people to rank their YouTube videos very high. So remember I showed you this video right here where I got my System.io tutorial at the top. So when people type in, System.io tutorial, my video is ranked number 1. Now, how do I do that? I use this software called Tubebuddy, which allows me to rank my videos extremely high. Now, the cool thing is I'm also an affiliate of Tubebuddy, and they'll pay you up to 30% monthly reoccurring commissions. And the cool thing about this is I've been able to tap into the super affiliate commissions because I've referred so many people to Tubebuddy. Again, Tubebuddy is monthly passive reoccurring commissions, and they're gonna pay you every single month. Now, how the heck do I promote Tubebuddy? Again, this is something where you have to show people why they need it, right? I just explained how I got to this video number 1 ranked. So naturally, you're gonna be like, well, how did he do it? And I would be like, well, I use this tool called Tubebuddy. Check out the link down below. And that's exactly how I would sell something like Tubebuddy, because if you're a YouTuber and you wanna get your videos ranked at the top, and you're gonna go ahead and use something like Tubebuddy to help rank your videos. Number 6 is the InVideo affiliate program. Now, this is a whole different type of software which allows you to create videos without having to show your face or without having to use your voice. Now, this is a pretty cool software because I've been able to generate a pretty good amount of commissions. And this is a low ticket offer. And one of the best parts about InVideo is they don't need a credit card to get started. They can literally start using the software and start creating YouTube videos. Now, you have to realize in your business, how can you help someone overcome some of their biggest fears? Now, I help people grow their YouTube channels, grow their online business. So one of the biggest fears that I help people with is getting on camera. And this is one of the biggest fears I had when I was starting my business. So naturally, I'm gonna help them with the solution and creating videos without having to show their face or use their voice. So this is how I can sell something like InVideo, because I can tell them, hey, you can still start a YouTube channel without having to use your voice or show your face. So again, when you're trying to promote these affiliate programs, you have to really understand what's the benefit for that person, and more importantly, how can you help them overcome their fears, their objections, and that's gonna help you sell whatever program you're trying to promote. All right, number 7 is Jasper. Now, Jasper is a copywriting software which allows you to create YouTube video scripts, sales funnel scripts. It's essentially a copywriter, but using AI technology. This is something super cool that can help businesses write a whole sales letter, a whole VSL, and they don't have to pay thousands of dollars to have to hire someone. So this is a really, really cool software that I use for myself, but I also promote as an affiliate. Now, the cool thing about this is it's monthly reoccurring passive commissions, and they'll pay you up to 30% as well. Now, one of the ways I sold this program, Jasper, was by showing people how they can use it to create content. So I created a live video on Facebook where I went live for about 30-40 minutes, and I showed them, hey, this is how I create 100 pieces of content using this copywriting software. So again, you want to show people how they can use this to better help them in their business, and more importantly, how it can benefit them and or make them more money. You never just want to tell people, hey, you need to buy this software, here's the link, and goodbye, because they're not going to buy it and they're not going to need it. You have to show people why it's going to benefit them, and more importantly, how it's going to make their life easier. But if you can do that and they become a customer, remember, they're going to be paying every single month. And at that point, that's where you make passive reoccurring commissions. Okay, so number 8 is a tool called SEMRush. Now, if you have a blog and you want to rank number 1 on Google, this is the tool you need to use. So this is similar to something like Tubebuddy, where it helps you rank your videos at the top. So if you're ever going to Google and you type in a certain keyword and you're looking for an article, well, this has helped those people rank at the top. All right. So this is a software that you could use as a blogger. Now, the cool thing, if we go to the pricing here, they actually have a pretty high-end pricing, up to $500 a month, to help people rank for Google. Now, the actual affiliate program is pretty powerful. So if we go down here, you can see how much you get paid. So you can see here, $200 for every new sale, $10 for every new trial, and a penny for everyone that signs up. Okay, so the cool thing is they don't just pay you for a sign up, they pay you for leads, and also when people just go visit the pages as well. So super cool that they do that as well. Now, here's the thing. When you start building out your ecosystem, you have to show people exactly why they need these products, but more importantly, also have backup products that can do similar things, but maybe it's gonna be a better fit for them and their business. Now, I have a bonus passive reoccurring product that I wanna mention, and this is something that has made me 6 figures in affiliate commissions. So this is Legendary Marketer. Now, the cool thing about Legendary Marketer is they're an online platform that teaches people how to start an online business. Now, the cool thing about them is they have multiple different products. And one thing about them is they have passive reoccurring monthly products. So something like Legendary Marketers Club, which is basically a membership to their online club, which gives people access to weekly live Q&A webinars, their plethora of videos, of trainings. But when people sign up for this, you're gonna get paid every single month. So this is a super cool product that you can promote, but they also have multiple products as well, not just the Marketers Club. They also have high ticket products, low ticket products, and a bunch of different things that you can promote. But the reason I wanted to mention this is because they do have monthly reoccurring products, and I showed you mostly all software. This is actually an educational platform. So I wanted to show you this as a bonus. Now, one thing I want you to understand, I don't want you to promote a product just to make money. You need to find a product that is actually gonna help people. It's gonna make their life easier. It's an easy product to sell and something that you would personally use as well. Because there's hundreds of different products out there, and I don't want you to promote something just because it has a high ticket commission or just because you're gonna make some extra money. If you have the mindset of actually helping people and trying to get them a result, I promise you, you're gonna make money with affiliate marketing. If you come into this game and you're just trying to make money, you're just trying to push a random software down someone's throat, you're not gonna be in this game for the long term. Yes, you might make money right away, but you're not gonna be in this for the long term. And again, I wanna help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. But in order to do that, you wanna find products that's gonna actually help someone and get them a result that they're looking for, a result that they desire. Now, you'll notice in all of my YouTube videos, I'm here to educate, I'm here to help you. And because of that, people are gonna buy my affiliate products, not because I'm pushing it down their throat, because I'm showing them how to use it. I'm showing them how they actually need it to grow their business or to help them solve their main pain point. Again, it doesn't just have to be products that are make money online. You could take this same concept and take it to health and fitness, cryptocurrency, even helping people with gardening. It doesn't matter. You can take the same concepts, and as long as you're helping people, educating them, they're gonna buy the affiliate products that you recommend. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this training, and I'll see you guys in the next video for this series. God bless.